Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Strong and gusty east or southeasterly winds will dominate onwards into the weekend, and it will stay chilly across the mountains. The snow cover that we've got at the moment staying in place across most higher terrain, so do be aware of icy conditions on the high tops. Wednesday's chart sees low pressure away toward the west. Fronts aren't really bothering us too much. High pressure is up to the northeast. There's the dregs of an old front just giving some drizzle and some snow flurries for the eastern parts of the highlands, with low cloud stubborn across some of these eastern hill slopes. Brighter toward the west highlands, broken cloud and sunshine best near the west coast. Eastern parts of the Pennines also holding on to some low cloud, better breaks toward the Lake District, and some variable cloud and some sunshine for Wales. Largely dry here, some early fog for East Wales, and around the Peak District will tend to lift through the day. Quite gusty winds across more western regions, especially near to the west coast in Scotland. We'll feel chilly then on the high tops, air temperatures near to freezing point all day. Those patterns will be very familiar onwards through the rest of this week. East or southeasterly winds continue into Thursday, strong and gusty around some higher tops, through some elevated passes and locally downslope as well toward the western side of major summits. Best of sunshine once more across west and northwest Scotland, low cloud and some drizzle and snow flurries at times on some eastern hills, amounting to very little overall, an odd drizzly shower for Wales and southern parts of the Pennines. That easterly wind is just going to become stronger though as we head towards Friday and into the weekend, so some powerful gusts towards, again, the western side of the major summits, gale force speeds across some higher terrain, making things rather challenging in places. A considerable wind chill as well. Air temperatures are staying near to freezing or below zero across the higher Scottish tops through Friday. Again, west is best in the way of sunshine, cloudier skies and some drizzle and some snow flurries locally towards more eastern hills, mainly in Scotland. One difference in the forecast at this stage into the weekend is that low pressure toward the south just tries to get closer for Saturday. High pressure is still to the north. Quite a squeeze then of that easterly wind across the country again, so expect powerful and gusty winds, gale force across many high tops. So again, a considerable chill factor where exposed. Those temperatures staying low, especially in Scotland. Mostly dry across the Highlands, best of sunshine again in the west, low cloud in the east. Wales could just see some more persistent rain or drizzle and some slightly higher air temperatures just drifting up from the south. Some more extensive low cloud here as well. Uncertainty on how far north that extends on Sunday as low pressure just circulates around, tries to push some fronts further northward, so scope for some drizzly rain and some hill snow across eastern parts of the Highlands. Again, western parts seeing very little. Staying windy with that easterly wind, strong and up to gale force and gusty, with temperatures coldest in Scotland, less cold further south across into Wales. Stay up to date with forecasts and do be prepared for winter conditions on the ground over the days ahead. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl.